Hi friends, welcome to Trending Stocks. Kindly subscribe to my channel for the latest updates. And now we are going to discuss the why the future group prices are getting fall and what is the reason behind that. So you can see that I have uploaded one video 7 hours before. That means there was one news behind that Amazon dispute with Future Group. The Singapore interim ruling was came that the validity got extended. That means till further notice it got extended. So nothing wrong with that. So with the future group of companies, but the issue is in Indian market, if there is a minor negative news come, the market will fall. That is based on the sentiment it is working. So don't think about that. So future group will be a multi-bagger, and we are going to discuss why the fall was happened. So after that also another news also came, that also I publish here. So just you can have a look into that. So just roughly just we will go into all the shares of future group. And future lifestyle fashion, it was closed at almost a 4.25 percentage below. And you can see future consumer limited also in the same way it fall almost 4.52 percentage, and future retail also in the same way 4.31 percentage fall, and future supply chain networks 2.53 percentage fall, and future enterprises limited also it got fall almost 3.63 percentage, and future market networks it got fund almost 4.04 percentage. And what's the reason behind this? So in all the shares, if you see, you can see that the delivery volume is almost 42 percentage to 50 percentage in almost all the shares. So it means the peoples are grabbing it, the peoples are taking delivery on this. That means huge investors are taking delivery on this. You can see the volume how much they are taking delivery. It means future retail limited at the average price of 84.08, they have taken almost 42 lakhs delivery. So it means till the people they know that the price will the trend will reverse in immediate effect. That's the reason they are taking delivery. Now we are going to discuss what's the reason behind that. So the first news was came at 11 o'clock, and I published in the same time, maybe around 12 o'clock I published this news. So that's the reason I am saying kindly subscribe to my channel for the latest updates. So you will get the notification and you can have a look into that. So in the first news, they are saying that the in the Singapore this thing in the Singapore Arbitration Tribunal, they extended the that means the future the stay on future Reliance deal got extended for 90 days. So that is the first thing. And the second news was came, that is published in the first, it was came in the print. After that it got published, the same news got published in the business standard also. Already the Delhi High Court they given an observation saying that Amazon already they violated the law. That means foreign investment law they violated, and also the foreign currency exchange law also they violated. So they don't have any hope on this. The case hearing will be on 28th of January. So it means after 3 days. So on this case will be actually it will be rejected by Delhi High Court. So from that day onwards it will the reversal will start. After that there is no hurdle between this. So the Reliance is already set to take over future, and Future Enterprises Limited will be a multi-bagger later on. And already I told you the target is almost 500. So take this opportunity whenever you get the price the in the lower price, try to grab the share. Thank you very much.